Hi! Let's unbox The Rain in España TLC. Mababaog kapag di mo ako pinalo. Hi! This is how I pack my items. I am an online seller and my shop is named as Mother Manings. Without further ado, let's unbox the mystery box. So, kailangan dahan-dahan tayo sa paggupit kasi ayaw nating magupit yung mismong box ng TLC. So, medyo struggled ako dito sa part na to kasi medyo mapurol yung gunting ko. Kailangan talaga gentle kayo sa pag-unpack kasi na-experience ko talaga dati yung nag-a-unpack ako ng album at sa pagmamadali ko, nakat ko yung mismong cover ng album. Sobrang taranta, sobrang iyak ko nun kasi sayang syempre and it's for my collection. Mas maselan tong part na to, yung pagbubukas ng bubble wrap at kinakailangan ko talagang gamitin yung kamay ko para hindi din masira yung ibang freebies. So, ayan, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Hindi ko na talaga binalot yung mismong box. Ayan, so those are my freebies. Itong i-unbox ko ay pinagpaalaman ko muna yung may-ari ng TLC box na to, which is Charmaine. Charmaine Cagulada. Thank you very much for trusting me. So, here, the thank you card. Personalized pins. Tapos, ayan, meron pa akong isang thank you letter. Next, stickers. So, those are also customized. And kung gusto niyo magpagawa ng mga ganitong stickers, ilalagay ko sa description box yung link or Shopee link. Yan. Thank you very much. And the one who designed the postcards, the sticker, and the pin has a code name of Hearts by Lail. So yun, you can ask her sa Twitter. Oh, let's unbox the TLC Tender Loving Crates. Thank you very much, Precious Pages, for making this happen. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang ang pagbubukas ng sticker kasi ayaw nating marant ng buyer natin. Okay. Success. Okay? Wow, thank you agad. Thank you so much, Precious Pages. This is their thank you card. And then, the book with frosted pouch. Ito talaga yung ginagamit nila sa nalagayan ng book, no? So, magkakasama na pala lahat ng freebies. So, this is the book, napakakapal. Here are the sides. Sobrang flourished. Here is the first page. Instagram ni Calix. Wow, cute naman. Sana all. The acknowledgement. And ayan ang title page with sign of for human seat. Ay, hindi ko alam talaga kung anong tamang pronunciation nun. Basta sigway yun. So, here is the postcard. The sticker set. Napaka-cute. And here is the thank you letter of Gwyneth. Here is the bookmark. So, naiba pala yung bookmark nila. And hindi ako na-inform na maiiba pala yung bookmark. So, here is the postcard with sign of Y. So, ito talaga yung pinakahihintay siguro ng karamihan, no? Yung anklet. So, napaka-special talaga nito kasi tala ito. Tala by Kyla. Napaka-cute. So, hindi ko talaga to trinay. And wala din akong mismong TLC ko. Kaya, hindi ko talaga siya matatry. Next is the pin. Napaka-cute. So, there you go. The tender loving crate of the rain in España. Thank you for joining the unboxing of the rain in España with me. So follow my Shopee account, my Facebook account, my page, and also my shop's Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching my very first video, my formal video, kasi yung dalawa kong unang video ay ang aking TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching. Abi ha, huwag nyo kakalimutang subscribe kasi pinapangako ko mababang kayo. And also, tap that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you very much talaga.
Don't lose your dream for me.
You're the dream, Luna.